Alright, what's going on, guys? I just got a package in the mail for my car. CliqTuning. Should be my short shifter, so we're gonna put that in today. And that will also let me finally put in my shirts tucked in knob. So yeah, a little spruce of the interior, and we'll get it going. Here we go. Progress, progress. I did something. Ugh. The fuck? Nice, alright. So that's the shifter probably. Yo! That is a gangster ass sticker. I don't know if you can see that properly. Hold on, let me see. Can you guys see that fucking sparkle? Oh my god. Shout out CliqTuning with the banging stickers. Thanks, George. Just got the car pulled up onto some wood bricks here so I can jack it up later. Gonna start with the interior pieces. Alright, so I'm just gonna start by taking all this stuff off. The boot, the shifter itself, and then this trim piece, give us some more room to play with. Alright, so to get this off, it's just clips. Kind of just pry here and pop it off. I don't know why it was so hard to do that time. This isn't even in properly. There's just two Phillips here to get the window switch panel off. Yeah, all I'm using is a flathead and a Phillips. So now we can take this off. Where is it? So these ones, I don't know if you can see that. Right there is a tiny little push pin. Little clip thing you can push in. That pops right out. Same on the other side. Pops out. Here. Oh, I gotta take my hat off. Ow! Fuck! Ow! That clip right there, on where you see that white pin going through, that little tiny square clip is what I need to take off. So, if I'm lucky, I might be able to just do it one-handed here. Just like that. I have to slide that pin out first, the arm out. There we go. You see how I just slid that gold thing down? And then this just pops right out. Alright, now we can start the installation. Now, fuck, I don't know if you can see that. It's dark still, but the plate is right there. There's two bolts in there. I only put two in for now. So we are going to try to get the nuts on. So it's been a couple hours. I ended up waiting until my girlfriend came home so she could help hold the bolts on top. We got everything tight, and then I tried to shift the gears and realized the shifter cup arm, this arm right here, the shifter usually sits right in there, blocks it. The bolt on the short shifter, I don't know if you can see it up there, but the little bolt for the adjustment gets in the way. It hits against it, so you can't use like third and reverse and weird shit like that. I ended up having to take that out. So that was just a pin up top here. I had to actually loosen the trans mounts. I gotta tighten those back up, drop the trans a bit to get that clip off, and then it just pulls out from the little yoke thing right in there. But yeah, we got that done. That's all out right here, out of the way. And I got the bolts started, just hand tight, and she's just gonna use the impact up top, and I'm probably just gonna hold them with a wrench down here because it just seems like the easiest way for me. And yeah, get back to you guys when it's all tightened up. Hopefully this thing fucking bangs through the gears. Bam, 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 bam. And I also had to actually the shifter, the shift lever or whatever that goes from the trans to the actual shifter, that was too big and it wouldn't fit in this part on the CliqTuning shifter, so I had to sand that down a bit too. But other than that, it's fit good so far. But just know you might have to fiddle around with this thing a bit to get it to work in the E46 anyways. Alright, got Cheyenne up here at the impact. Just gonna tighten these for me, and I'm gonna go crawl under and hold the wrench on the nuts. Alright, got Cheyenne up here at the impact. Just gonna tighten these for me, and I'm gonna go crawl under and hold the wrench on the nuts. On my nuts.
These nuts.
These nuts.
Alright.
Alright, go for it. Ow. One more. Okay. Go through all gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, over to reverse. Seems like it works good. Gonna go for a drive, put my shift knob on, and yeah, hopefully this thing fucking bangs gears. And there's the golden ticket. Very little sticker, and there you have it. Nice shirts tucked in, shift knob with a CliqTuning chassis mount shifter. Fuck yeah, I'm so stoked on this. Let's go for a drive. Alright, time to go for a drive. Since I did this, I thought I'd take you guys for a drive anyways, but yeah, it feels great so far. It's nice and short. I have it on the longest setting actually, and it's still like, feels good. I like the shift knob a lot, honestly. Well, the shifter feels good so far. Goes in all the gears nice. skateboarding.net. Love these t-shirts, one other t-shirt, these keychains, some decals. So yeah, go cop some merch, support us. Have a good one.
With you by my side, hand in hand tonight, we've been oh so tight. Ooh, honey, I may have miscalculated.